For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has put on hold all the films which were set for the big theatrical release. Yes, it has been nearly 5 months since cinemas are shut across the country and the movie viewing audience has turned towards OTT platforms for their dose of entertainment. Not only are there several options on OTT platforms, but it is also the only way to watch a movie these days. In this situation, OTT platforms have been booming like never before. Many viewers are discussing if they should undergo a certification process like movies. There have been instances in the past when audience have questioned the kind of OTT content that's coming across and insisted on government taking a call on its censorship issues. In response to same, former MP and BJP spokesperson Baijayan Panda has now raised a question as to why digital content is exempted from the certification rules in the first place. Certain controversies on some recent movies have led to much scrutiny and critiquing, but equally important, why should platforms like Netflix, Amazon be exempt from Indian film certification rules? Perhaps the regulations need updating, but in any case, they must apply to all. He tweeted while also insisting on how these regulations must be applied to all. His tweet received mixed responses from Twitterati, where a section discussed the need for censorship while others emphasized on the freedom of creativity.
Absolutely support an invariable application of regulations. Just because platforms like Netflix, Hotstar, etc. involve voluntary subscription and viewership, they cannot be allowed to take inordinate liberties with their content, which yields immense influence over audiences.
No, OTT platforms are not viewbound for censorship. You can have a say on Bollywood films releasing on OTT platforms, but by this, if a content is available and you are putting up a censorship, then you are promoting piracy, because people will watch a cringe or sensitive topic. From attacking Netflix for its Hindu-phobic content to the recent controversy of Alt Balaji shows XXX insulting the army, there have been umpteen instances where the censorship of digital content was discussed and demanded. Not too long ago, an FIR was filed against filmmaker Ekta Kapoor in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. She is facing allegations of insult to the national emblem, Hindu gods, and army personnel in Alt Balaji's XXX web series. However, Ekta's representatives say that the controversial scene has been removed. Most recently, the Indian Air Force has also written a letter to the censor board over film Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil Girl, featuring Janhvi Kapoor in the lead role. IAF in its letter said that the movie Gunjan Saxena shows IAF in a negative light. It is also stated that the film displays inappropriate work culture, especially against women in the IAF, which is misleading. Calling the summary of scenes and dialogues in the script objectionable, IAF stated that they approached the production house but they did not delete the scenes. IAF also said that the issue of granting NOC for the release of the movie will be considered after deleting or suitably modifying the particular scenes. However, a call on this is yet to be taken by the officials.